Welcome to the new video guide for Combin.com. Today, I'll show you how to use advanced filters and machine learning analysis. Combin advanced filters and user analysis help making search for target Instagram audience much more precise. Today, I will show you how to use this feature to find your potential followers. In order to access Combin advanced search filters and machine learning user analysis, just follow the next easy steps. Go to Combin official website and get Combin app to your computer. It's available for Windows, macOS and Linux. Launch the application and go to Search tab. Find the Advanced Filters and Analysis feature at the bottom of the window. Click the switch located next to Advanced Filters and Analysis to enable the feature. After that, advanced search settings should appear within the window. Here you can adjust gender, language, last activity, and following followers count that Instagram accounts you search for should match. Enabling advanced filter and analysis also activates machine learning algorithm that helps detecting interaction inefficiency account and filter them out of the way. Now, let's speak about each filter in detail. The first one is gender filter. Target audience search can be made more precise by specifying this exact filter. Follow the next easy steps to learn how to do it. First of all, find the filter under the Advanced Filter and Analysis description. Click the Gender field. Select either female or male option from the drop-down menu. And that's all. The next filter is Language filter. Click the Language field, then pick Unselect All, then you can select one or multiple languages by clicking the options in the drop-down menu. In case you want to select a large number of languages, the quickest way would be just unselecting languages you are not interested in. The next is Last Activity filter. Instagram users that were last week active are more likely to notice your attention, likes, comments, or follows. Enabling this activity helps sorting out accounts that haven't been active lately. Here is how you can do it. Find the user had to be active last week feature below the gender and language filters. Click the switch to enable filtration by last activity. You are done. The next filter is Followers and Followings Count filter. This filter helps finding target audiences accounts that fit into a specific range of following and followers number. For example, you can set up the numbers of followers from 95 to 1000 and the number of followings from 0 to 2000. Only those profiles that fit within the selected range are going to be displayed in the search results. Drag the circle indicators along the range sliders to adjust the preferred followers number. Or you can also do it manually. Just type the needed number in the field. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video guide. More video guides coming soon. Thank you.